afternoon, multiple defense attorneys in the YSL RICO case telling 11 Alive that they're negotiating with state prosecutors. Those conversations could mark a significant milestone in what's already been Georgia's longest case. 11 Alive's Grace King joining us now live from the Fulton County Courthouse. And Grace, it was a bit of a strange day inside.
Strange and short. A deputy came out of the courtroom and told us court was over for the day before we were even let inside. Multiple defense attorneys told me that's because they're negotiating with state prosecutors and want to take their time to do that. Now, we don't know what those conversations look like, but we do know that both sides are hoping this will end sooner rather than later. This trial, of course, involving the rapper Young Thug and several co-defendants began last November with more than 100 witnesses on the state's list. Several of those witnesses have improperly discussed the defendant's criminal past during their testimony, prompting complex jury instructions and motions for mistrials. The latest reference came during testimony Wednesday and started a real conversation about whether this case can still move forward.
Y'all have, this gigantic, ginormous universe of evidence that maybe if you narrowed down, you would not be making these kinds of mistakes. But I believe that to be a mistake.
And because Judge Paige Whitaker believes these are mistakes and not intentional, she's unwilling to grant a mistrial with prejudice. Instead, she's considering one without prejudice, which would mean the state would be allowed to try each of these defendants again if they so choose. Live in Fulton County, Grace King, 11 Alive News.
Grace, tracking that for us there. Thank you. We stream proceedings every day that court is in session on 11 Alive Plus. You can download the app on Roku, Amazon Fire, and Apple TV.